Hey guys, actually we're gonna do all 15 against these things.
Let's go.
Yeah, right.
Please come back here to where your respawn marker is, kind of wait back here.
This should look on, Lando.
What?
This should look on straight. The GoPro.
Yeah. Go. Movement, moving in on this side already. Evan, I'm on your 6.
Swap sides. What are you gonna bring for? Sosa from SYG. So try not to kill him. He is gonna be working behind the scenes to eliminate them, okay?
This is the entrance, right?
Okay.
Hey,
Good, boys. Good game.
Good shit, gentlemen. Good shit.
I wasn't recording!
Guys, we get some people left. The valve kind of fucked.
Shields on the left! Just 3 rounds? Okay, 3 rounds. That way.